Hey everyone, it's Wednesday. Update channel, what's happening, and everything else as well. So we have a lot of GW stuff as well. Still waiting on the pre-order for the Leviathan, so I can get a box of it. And I'm trying to get a box. Also waiting on the 27th to get a box of the Speed Paint 2.0 from Army Painter as well. Please subscribe, like, and share if you do enjoy it. Check out our Patreon Discord down below as well. And there's a lot of supports in between that I do want to get this done. It's kind of be dripping because I put water inside to clean it. So we have, look how big this sucker is. A Mommy Warlord Titan I want to talk a little more about for it. I got the legs printed as well. Um, I don't know if it's this one or this goes onto this one. Oh, yeah, this one. There we go. So this is over a foot. I know some Warlord Titan go up to 2 feet. It's about 2 feet. But for now, I don't have a big enough printer just to print a 2 foot version. Actually, I do have a printer big enough for 2 part for the one to GW. I will print that. But I believe that will take about at least 10 bottles of resin. So at least $100 some, 170, $180 worth of resin. This took about at least 2 bottles. The arm is still being printed, but I want to do a size comparison to my little mini. This is the foot. There's a comparison with her breast of it as well. The sucker is huge. I don't know. I think it's about two. I know. I measured it. The height about 2 feet. It's not as bulky as the Warlord Titan is, but I don't have a ruler around here. But I'll probably make it a little short for it as well. People are talking about converting into the Slanesh model of the Warlord Titan. I actually can, but I actually want this to be my Blood Angel Warlord Titan. Uh, I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but you do tell me. We have the guns for it as well. One of the gun got screwed over as well, so we have that. So we could actually put a magnet in this, but the problem is these bodies, these 2 parts are hollow. This is solid, so I can put a magnet on this. Not easy. This will be very difficult to put a magnet in because it is hollow and it will fall through for a certain particular size of resin for it. So I have to figure that out later on too. And this is going to be another isopropyl alcohol bath because it is sticky and I'm having a hard time curing it. Inside is a lot sticky. I have to literally like scrub it probably with a toothbrush or a paintbrush to get all the uh, nooks and cranny of this model as well. Um, but it's one of those things that I need a bigger cure box for that matter as well. But yeah, this is one of those things that I like 3D printing. I do want to thank the guy who actually made the file for this for it. Uh, she'll be probably painted after I'm done with the 4 videos of D&D painting, and I will probably paint her right away. See, I have one fail one right here, and this one is I think they're both the same gun, so I just need to print just one of them, and that should be fine. I don't know what happened. Oh, I think the support on this part got separated because this wasn't an angle for it as well. But yeah, uh, but yeah, we have a Mommy Warlord Titan for that matter as well, and it's quite interesting too. My friends love it. My wife hates it. It was funny. The comments called said virgin on it. I'm like, I'm married, not a virgin, just a pervert. I'm a big pervert for that as well. So we have. I haven't painted today. Today as in Tuesday night so far. But I got the dragons almost done. Then I'm gonna do this guys. and I will do the big terrain piece that I am gonna have to do for one of Ashley's game. Uh, and I gotta buy more resin to get more terrain pieces for Ashley's ruins area as well. Plus, we're gonna be using this for Warhammer terrains as well. So this could be like the one of the Voltan. You know, Voltans are dwarves, so this would be like one of the main thing that we're gonna use as well. But this came out pretty good. This is hollowed as well. Um, yeah, it took the uh, the the length of it, but we have more of a width on the plate. But this is big as well compared to. Let's get another mini on top of here and see. This is fucking huge, and this would be a very good piece to have. And probably put a whole squad of Marines and so forth as well. Probably some snipers as well for the terrain piece. Um, I have a lot of Nurgle pieces over here that needs to be varnished. I need to find places for them. Right now, I don't have a storage box of stuff. I do want to put magnets in them. Problem is that funds are getting low, and I have another big project I'm working on too. After I'm done with this Warlord Titan, I gotta print my friend's Salamander doors. Then I gotta print Ashley's Rune Worm and Wendigo. Then I gotta print terrains for it, and a lot of the bin. I want to do more bin painting. The ones I have is already printed, but we have a game next week Thursday that I need to haul my butt on and get all of that done as soon as possible. That will be probably the main goal that I'm going to have to do and get done as soon as possible. And we're going to try and get all of it done. And but the Warlord Titan can wait. Video will be out in, I will say, August. Painting for Warlord Titan video will be in August. The June and July Warhammer videos are done. The D&D for June is done. Videos for those are scheduled. I'm working on the July version of the D&D video for it right now. Then then we will go after done with the D&D videos. For June, then we'll switch back to painting with shorts of Warhammer. But you might see more GW models being put together for it as well, because I do want to get my Blood Angels, more stuff for my Blood Angels to be painted as well. I'm going to print tanks. I have a Predator tank and a Ball tank that's 3D printable, and I'm going to hollow it out and I'm going to print it and paint it due to the fact that I do need tanks and I do need and I also probably print some Thunderbirds as well. That needs to be done and taken care of ASAP just to get stuff done and start getting rolling as well. So I'm gonna probably buy another 10 to 10 bottles of resin. I should get 20, but that's about $340 worth of resin. But I'm also buying two boxes of the Leviathan. One of them going half season a friend, one whole box for myself, and then I have speed paint that's 370. So I'm gonna be very broke in June, um, just to share my pain and suffering with my hobbies, and eating. I'll be personally eating ramen pretty much every day due to the fact for that as well. Well, anyhow, guys, let me know what you guys think. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you guys very much, and see you guys next time. Have a great day, guys. Bye.